Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we'll be exploring the beautiful city of Riga, Latvia, and sharing 7 must-see attractions and activities for your visit. Let's dive into the rich culture and history of this charming European destination together. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Explore the historical part of Riga while having a relaxing and romantic sightseeing boat trip along the charming Riga City Canal and Daugava River. Number 2. Add a celebratory touch to your trip to Riga with this evening sightseeing tour aboard an old wooden boat. Hop aboard the boat near the Vansu Bridge and set off along the sparkling waters of the Daugava River. The boat will take you through 19 of Riga's bridges. Capture breathtaking photos of iconic landmarks such as the Freedom Monument, Riga's Central Market, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the National Opera Building. Admire these sights from the unique perspective of the water while sipping your refreshing welcome drink, water, soft drink, beer or prosecco. Experience the enchanting beauty of these cultural treasures as you gracefully move through the waters, reaching the Riga Canal. Watch the sun sink lower in the sky before returning to your meeting point with unforgettable memories of the city. Fun fact: the tour is operated by the oldest boat in Latvia, built in 1927. Number 3. First, meet your passionate guide. Gear up with a behind-the-scenes tour into the brewery. Learn about the brewing process, from the selection of carefully sourced ingredients to the intricate steps of mashing and fermentation. Next, embark on a fascinating historical journey. Discover how Latvia's brewing heritage stretches back centuries. After the 1-hour visit, we've curated a selection of 5 distinct Latvian craft beers, each a masterpiece in its own right. Learn to identify the subtle notes of malt, hops, and yeast, and appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into each bottle. By the end of this immersive experience, you'll be a true Latvian beer connoisseur. This tour is a must-do visiting Riga. Number 4. Take a day tour from Riga to the Hill of Crosses, the famous Jurgaičiai Hill, located 12 kilometers north of Šiauliai. This authentic monument of history and religious folk art is the best repository of Lithuanian crossmaking art and inspires with its peace, spirituality, authenticity, and sacred nature. The legendary stories about the beginning of the hill are interesting as well. After crossing the border between Latvia and Lithuania, you will be offered to stop for a photo session. At the Hill of the Crosses, the guide will tell you the history of this unique place and how it came to be. On the way back, we recommend passing through the local town of Jelgava. This is a unique opportunity to compare the locals' lives in the capital and a small town. Additionally, during this tour, you will be provided with excellent places to have lunch with local cuisine. Number 5. Discover Riga's Old Town on a guided walking tour of its main sites. Listen to your local guide's fascinating stories and learn about the city's rich history. Pass well-known locations, including the House of the Blackheads, the Three Brothers Building Complex, and the Swedish Gate. Start your tour at the Museum of Mentzendorf and head inside the Old Town. Marvel at the centuries-old buildings surrounding you here. From the Town Hall Square dating back to the 13th century to the towering St. Peter's Church. Continue your walking journey and see the magnificent Great and Small Guild Halls, the medieval buildings and Art Nouveau Cat House, the Three Brothers Buildings, St. Jacob's Cathedral, the Swedish Gate, and more. Along your route, learn about how Art Nouveau architecture swooped into Riga, local and historical stories, and insights into what food to taste while in Latvia. Number 6. Step into a captivating journey through the heart of the Baltics, where history, culture, and natural beauty converge to create an unforgettable experience. Our unique day tour is designed to immerse you in the rich tapestry of this region, offering a blend of faith, opulence, and medieval tales that will leave you awestruck. Itinerary. 1. The Hill of Crosses. A testament of faith and devotion, our adventure commences at the awe-inspiring Hill of Crosses in Lithuania, a place where the landscape itself tells stories of unwavering faith and profound devotion. As you stand amidst countless crosses of all sizes and designs, each representing a heartfelt prayer or wish, you'll be moved by the spiritual energy that envelops this sacred site. The history and significance of the Hill of Crosses will unfold before you, providing a deep understanding of the enduring faith that has drawn pilgrims here for centuries. During the tour, you'll have the flexibility to enjoy a delicious lunch at a local restaurant, either before or after exploring the enchanting Rundale Palace. If you choose to skip lunch, don't worry. We'll still have plenty of time to include an additional visit to Riga Castle on our return journey to Riga. Point 2. Rundale Palace. A journey into extravagance next. We'll transport you to Rundale Palace, a Baroque masterpiece that embodies opulence and grandeur. Step into a bygone era as you explore the palace's ornate halls adorned with stucco work, gilded carvings, and intricate frescoes. You'll feel like royalty as you traverse the opulent chambers, marveling at the exquisite craftsmanship that surrounds you. The palace's immaculate gardens, resplendent with vibrant blooms, provide a serene escape, inviting you to take leisurely strolls and relish the regal atmosphere. Point 3. Riga Castle. Where medieval tales come to life, our journey through time continues as we arrive at Riga Castle, a medieval stronghold that resonates with the echoes of knights, duchesses, and historic intrigue. Explore the castle's towers, walk the same halls as nobility once did, and let your imagination wander amidst the ancient walls. The stories of medieval life and feudal lords will unfold, offering a vivid glimpse into the past. The lush park surrounding the castle, adorned with exotic plants and trees from around the world, provides a tranquil setting to reflect on the historical richness of this remarkable site. Conclusion. As our day tour draws to a close, you'll find yourself not only enriched with the history and culture of the Baltics but also with a sense of awe for the beauty that defines this region. Our journey ends with your return back, leaving you perfectly situated to explore more of the charming surroundings or simply bask in the memories of a day filled with faith, opulence, and medieval tales. Join us on this unique adventure, where the past comes alive and the present is enriched with the treasures of the Baltics. Number 7. Embark on a tour through the UNESCO-listed Riga Central Market. Explore 5 former Zeppelin hangars and learn about local Latvian food and shopping habits on the market. A knowledgeable local tour guide will lead you through the market and provide you with an introduction to Latvian food, sharing the origins of local food traditions. Throughout the tour, you will receive a wide range of local specialties which include local bread, several kinds of cheese, freshly smoked meat, several types of fish, non-alcoholic and alcoholic drinks, and delicious local sweets. These tastings will be sufficient enough to make you feel as if you have had a light lunch and should be enough to get you through to dinner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.